Good morning. My name is Adrien. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Take It Easy. A couple of years ago, well, actually 2 years ago, my co-founders and I, passionate by both food and technology, decided to experiment on different ideas to ultimately improve the state of food delivery. And what we quickly discovered was that the vast majority of restaurants, most quality restaurants in continental Europe, actually want to increase their takeaway sales, but do not have the means to actually build and develop logistics systems to offer a delivery service to their current customers. The second thing we realized was that for more than 15 years now, the big players on the internet, such as Delivery Hero, Just Eat, and Grubhub in the US, have been educating the market to order food online, so to switching from ordering food by phone to ordering food online, but are limited to working with the restaurants that offer a delivery service themselves. And by definition, in continental Europe especially, this is typically low-end restaurants or chains. So that's when we realized that we could actually add value to the market by positioning Take It Easy as a tech intermediary between these quality restaurants, independent couriers, and ultimately the end customers. So as a customer, when you log in on our website or just open our application, the first step is obviously to enter your address. Why do we ask you to enter your address? Is that then we can show you the restaurants from which you can order from. And we only let you order from restaurants which are a certain number of kilometers away from you. That is both to decrease the delivery time, so to deliver the customers in a quickly and in an efficient way to keep the food warm, but also ultimately to maximize the number of deliveries that we can send to our courier partners. One thing that set us apart from the competition is that we are the only one to provide live ETAs directly on the search page. So very much like Uber, when you after entering your address, you can directly see the estimated time of arrival for each of our restaurants. And that is computed in real time based obviously on the GPS position of the restaurants, but also the GPS position of our couriers, their individual average speed, and the preparation time, the backlog of orders that we have on the server, etc. So once you choose a restaurant, you place your order based on photos, reviews left by other users, and then ultimately you pay online, and the orders reach our servers. The advantage for us to provide a logistics service is that we actually have the luxury to choose which restaurants we want to work with. So as a curated platform, as a curated marketplace, we only work with quality restaurants. That doesn't mean expensive or higher-end restaurants, but it means usually trendy restaurants, the restaurants that you enjoy going to and eating there. Once we add a restaurant on the platform, it starts by taking all of their menu info, but we integrate quite deeply, and then we work on that every day. For example, we let restaurants switch on and off their menu items in real time to ultimately improve the customer experience. We also let them change their preparation time in real time, because everybody knows that the preparation time in the restaurants depends on the affluence of that restaurant. And 100% of our orders are obviously transmitted automatically through the Android app that we build, and through a tablet and a printer at the restaurant. Our delivery is quite fast. We only work, from the very beginning, we've decided to only work with independent bicycle couriers. Why bicycles? Well, they are loved by our restaurant partners. They're also loved by the customers, and they have a lot of advantage from a logistics point of view. First of all, most people have a bike. Anyone can become a Take It Easy courier. It's also very accurate for us to estimate their speed within traffic. And again, 100% of the orders are transmitted in an automated way through the app that we've built. Now, coming back to the logistics and to the dispatch, as a customer, once you place your order, you can follow your courier on the map. You can see him finding his way to the restaurants, and then you can see the live estimated time of arrival that gets updated. on average, the time between the restaurant and the customer is 8 minutes, and the matching between requested preparation time to the restaurant and requested pickup time to the couriers actually work. Because and the best way to see that is that our courier leaves the restaurant only a couple of minutes on average after the requested pickup time. So we're still a very young startup, but thanks to our automated and integrated operations, we've been able to scale quite quickly. We launched in Brussels about 2 years ago. Then we managed to raise some seed funding. We expanded to Paris exactly a year ago. We raised our Series A funding 7 months ago, Series B this summer, and then we started expanding to new markets and to new cities in existing markets. Well, this is already the end of my presentation. I'll be around if you have any questions. Thank you.